After iOS 27 update, you may see indexing in progress. It's normal as your iPhone organizes data for search, photos, messages, and Siri. If it's too long or causes lag or battery drain, there may be a problem. This video shows why and how to fix it. Part 1. Why is iOS 27 stuck on indexing in progress? Large data, many photos, videos, or messages slow indexing. iCloud Sync. Ongoing sync extends indexing time. New features. AI or search updates need more processing. Low storage. Limited space slows or blocks indexing. iOS bugs. System issues may delay Spotlight. Data transfer. Restores or transfers increase time. Weak conditions. Poor Wi-Fi or low power slows it down. Part 2 to 9 ways to fix indexing in progress on iOS 27. Method 1. Wait for indexing to finish. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. Method 3. Check available storage. Method 4. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and power. Method 5. Disable and re-enable Siri and search. Method 6. Turn off and turn on iCloud Sync. Method 7. Reset all settings. Part 3. Fix iOS 27 indexing issues with iOS system recovery. If basic fixes fail, it may be a system error. iOS system recovery can fix indexing in progress without data loss and supports the latest iOS on Windows and Mac. How to fix iOS 27 indexing in progress with iOS system recovery. Step 1. Download and install iOS system recovery on your computer. Open the program and select More Tools, iOS system recovery from the interface. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. After the device is detected, choose Standard Mode and click Start to continue. Step 3. The program will automatically identify your iPhone model and provide the appropriate firmware. Click Download to get the required firmware package. Step 4. After the firmware download is complete, click Repair to begin the repair process. Keep your iPhone connected until the process finishes.